firstly, thank you so much for clicking on my video to watch. So for today's video, I'm going to do a chit chat, get ready with me. I had you guys vote on my Instagram whether you wanted more of a chill talk through makeup tutorial while I try out some new products that I got, or if you wanted more of a planned out video. And the vote went way more towards the chit chat, get ready with me. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell beside the subscribe button so you guys get notified every time I upload a new video. I have been filming a ton lately, and the next video going up is going to be with my sister, and it's a really fun video. I'm excited for you guys to see it. So let's just get on into the video. So if you follow me on my Instagram, you would know that I just recently moved. So we are in our new place right now. We're still doing renos, so it's kind of been a little bit crazy. But now I'm just able to get back to filming regularly. At the beginning of the month, I got to attend a Clinique event, and it was so fun. They gave us a bunch of stuff, so I'm going to use some of this, and I'm going to mainly focus on my skin. And if you see this in the background, they gave me that too at the event, and that's me. I'll tag the artist down below. I hope you guys don't think it's like conceited or anything that I put a picture of myself up on the wall, but I love it so much, and it's so cute. It has some of the Clinique products on it too, so I had to put it on my wall. I'm first going to take the Moisture Surge. I keep getting my tongue tied. I try to say it like 5 times. But anyways, I'm going to put this on my face. It's really hydrating. One of the girls, I believe her name was Sarah, put it on my sunburn at the event because I had a big sunburn on my back. And it completely soothed it and made it feel so much better. And it has like a gel-like consistency, so it feels really cooling on your skin. And I believe it has aloe vera in it. If you guys happen to live in the Vancouver or Richmond area, definitely go check out the store. It's in the Richmond Center Mall, and it's the first Clinique store to open in North America. We got to see the store the day before it opened. Now it's all opened, and everybody there, the whole team, is just amazing. So I think you guys will really like it there. It's really hot where I live now, so I'm not gonna do too much makeup. I don't want it to just melt off my face, but I also want to put this Coola Sunsilk drops on my face. They're really nice, and they have an SPF of 30 in them. Since I already had my sunburn of the year, I don't want to get another one. I want to put some eye cream on too, and this is the Pep Start Clinique eye cream, and it's orange, and orange has been like my favorite color lately. Pink will always be my favorite, but orange, I'm just like in love with. So this, you have to like pull it up and then squeeze it out, and it has a little, the ball on the top is like a little massage ball. So as you put it on, it like massages your under eyes. But it's not too harsh because your under eyes are pretty sensitive. They don't have much skin there. But this feels like really nice. I never want to stop using it when I start. I squirted a little bit too much out, but that's okay. I'm going to put on my Makeup Forever Ultra HD Underpainting Palette because I have not gone a day without using this since I got it. I got to go to a little lunch with them where they were talking about a few of their products, this being one of them. I think this is one of their recent kind of new releases. And as you can see, I'm almost out of the pink shade. I have a lot of blue and purple discoloration under my eyes, so this helps it a bunch. I used it in my How to Cover Up Dark Circles video. I'll link it down below if you want to see it. But this is such a go-to for me. I cannot live without it. So I'm just going to place the pink shade underneath my eyes. Actually, I'm going to let this eye cream sink in a little bit more. So I'm going to go in with the green shade first and just cover up all of my redness. My hair just does not feel like cooperating with me today. I do not know what to do with it. I just did this in the viewfinder and I don't think it looks good. Last week, Goody sent me these bobby pins were included, and they said new on them, so I don't know if they're a complete new bobby pin or if they're just new because they have sparkles on them, but these are amazing. They literally grip into your hair and they do not come out. And I don't know about you guys, but I have an issue with losing bobby pins everywhere, and since I got these, I have not lost one because they all stay in my hair. I have to see what they're called. Okay, they just say Goody bobby pins on them. They're just like the gold colored ones. So yeah, I don't know if the specific bobby pins are new or if just the color is new, but they're amazing. Just like these pieces look crazy. Okay, whatever. You guys won't judge me, right? Let's just move on to foundation. So I'm going to use the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I have a tan on, so this is the best one that matches me. And I'm going to use this sponge that's from Costco. It feels exactly like a stress ball. It's really like, it feels like a stress ball, kind of just gooey or whatever. And yeah, they're actually pretty good. At first I thought that it was making my foundation kind of sit on top of my skin, but just the more I blended it out, the more I really liked how it looked. I can't get over my hair. I have like these things that just decided to stick out. But I have a really funny story because once in high school, one of my classmates was like drawing us all on the chalkboard in math class. And when she drew me with my hair, and this piece, I don't know if you can see it, this piece sticks out. And she drew me with my hair sticking out, like just that piece. It's hilarious. And like that piece has never gone away and I can never do anything with it. So every time I look at it, I remember that day. So since I want to focus on my skin, I kind of want to make it like really glowy. So I'm going to use cream products. And I'll just start off with my concealer, and I'm going to mix the CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous concealer with my Too Faced Born This Way one. The CoverGirl one just gives me like a lighter coverage, but I still want a little bit more coverage right on the inner corners of my eyes. That's why I'm going to use them both. I have this shade Fair in this CoverGirl one, and I really like it that light because it just really brightens up and highlights my face. I'm also going to do a liquid highlight, so I'm not going to set my under eyes. You will probably be seeing them crease up, but don't worry, I'm going to fix that afterwards. I'm going to use a cream bronzer now. It's actually a foundation stick, but again, one of the girls at the Clinique store put this on me there, and I think this was the exact shade they used. This is in the shade Gargantuan Golden. It's a beautiful, beautiful bronzer, so I'm going to use a stippling brush to apply this. I'm just going to try and find my Smashbox one because it's my favorite. I haven't unpacked everything yet, so everything's still kind of everywhere. But I want to get those Alex drawers from IKEA for all my makeup because the vanity that I had is too big for the place we're in right now. But I want to save it for our daughter one day, so I'm not going to get rid of it. I'm going to go get the Alex drawers pretty soon. Because they're really compact and easy to store all the makeup, probably that's why everyone uses them. A lot of you have been DMing me on Instagram and like wanting me to show our like apartment or suite or whatever you want to call it. So I want to know if that's something you guys would want to see. Just let me know in the comments, and the more that people like want to see it, the more it'll probably make me want to do it. I'm still kind of like thinking about it, and it would probably not be for like another month because all of our renos aren't done yet. I obviously want it to be done if it's going to be like an actual tour. Also, I've been getting a lot of requests to do vlogs, and I don't have a vlog camera yet, but I am gonna get one soon. So I also could just like include a mini one in a vlog, or I could do maybe a whole dedicated one. I don't know yet. Let me know in the comments if either of those ideas you want to see. And I also really like it when you guys give me suggestions of videos you want to see, like to do what you guys want to see, and I'm just going to be filming a lot more for YouTube now that I'm all settled in. This product's really nice because you could just build it up and build it up. It doesn't even get cakey. Even though it's a foundation stick, it's not cakey at all. At another one of the stations at the Clinique store, they were mixing this highlighter stick with the moisturizer, and I don't know, there it is. With this moisturizer to make it a liquid highlight, and it was really, really pretty. So I'm going to do that for my highlighter. She had put it, I can't remember. Oh no. Okay, I think it was moisturizer first, right into the palm of your hand. I'm guessing they did it in the palm of the hand just to get the warmth of your skin to melt together. And then she had taken the chubby stick and just mixed it in like that, and it created a really, really pretty liquid highlight. I'm gonna do kind of like a bold pink lip, so I think this will be really pretty with it. That's what it looks like. And I will just apply it with my finger. It gives like such a pretty summery glow. Oops, I just drug it up underneath my eye. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna take it on a sponge. That might be a lot easier. That way I can be like more precise with it, because I just smudged that one like right into here. I'm gonna make more of the paste, put it on my shoulders and collarbone too. It's so pretty. I'm gonna run out of this so fast because I'm gonna continue to do this. I feel like this is gonna be my go-to for the summer. But first, I'm just gonna cover up some of my chest acne because I get that more than I get it on my face. And I'm gonna use this darker shade in the Makeup Forever palette and see if that will like match my tan. Nope, it's too light. This stick will last a long time, but the moisturizer I'm definitely gonna have to find more of because this is the perfect moisturizer for it. I don't know if any other one would even work because this is like kind of like a watery gel-based consistency. Going out for the night, you could put it all over your legs and arms. This actually could get addicting. I wonder what other shades they have in that hefty highlight, because a gold one would be really, really pretty for like a bronze glow. I'm gonna have to look at that after now. I'm done for now. I might put more on later, to be completely honest, but for now we can move on. I think I'm gonna go into my Benefit Cheek Braid palette and use the shade Hula Light for kind of a blush, kind of like a bronze blush. But I'm also gonna put one of the Clinique blushes on top of it. I just thought of that and I thought it might be really pretty with this look. We'll find out. All my brushes are in this bag, so I have like no idea what I'm grabbing. I said I was gonna use it as a blush, but now I'm kind of like using it as a bronzer. I'm gonna put some on my collarbones now and everywhere, just like I did with the highlighter. And my shoulders. I don't know why I'm doing that, but it's working. This blush is so cute. This is the Cheek Pop blush, and this one is in the shade Rosy Pop. I'm sure you guys have seen these before, but they are shaped as a daisy and they're so pretty. I'm just gonna use a little bit of this on the apples of my cheeks. I want to be more bronzy, but I want just a little pop of blush. Oh yeah, I have to still set my concealer, so I'm gonna re-blend that out because it is creasing. I'm going to hardly do anything for my eyes. I think I'm just gonna use this Too Faced White Chocolate Bar palette. I'm gonna set my lids with the shade Glaze because it's just a white and it just makes my eyes kind of pop. This month, I'm also going to do a favorites video. I have so many favorites and I haven't done a favorites video since last year, I think. And when I had a poll if you guys liked favorites videos on my Instagram, only like 1 or 2 people voted that they didn't want to see it. And the rest, it really sounds like you guys want favorites videos, so I'm going to make one for this month for sure. I also have a lookbook I'm working on, and yeah, I'm really excited about my summer videos, so I just wanted to update you guys on that too. And obviously just thank you guys because you guys have been sticking around even though I haven't been putting tons of content out. Just the move and renos took way longer than I thought, so I should have pre-filmed a lot more because I didn't think it was going to take that long, but then it did. Anyways, thank you for sticking around, and I'm going to have more videos out. And I'm thinking about what else to do with my eyes. I really don't want to do much. Maybe if I just put this Raspberry Rose shade on the inner corners of my eyes and maybe my brow bone, just kind of make it glowy. But yeah, and I still have to do my eyebrows. Just to give it a little bit of definition, I guess I'll just put cake batter in my crease. Just stick to the same palette. I'm not going to drag it onto my outer corners or anything. I need to put my eyelashes on now, and I don't know where my glue is. I want my clear glue. Found it. Found it along with my tweezers, good thing, because I need those too. These eyelashes are really old and I keep reusing them because I keep forgetting to get new ones. I have a feeling I'm going to forget to do my eyebrows because I keep forgetting and then I keep remembering. And by the way, did you notice that my walls are white now? We painted this whole place white. So now I have all my white walls. If you followed me on Instagram and saw my stories, I kept like complaining about the beige walls, which is nothing to complain about, but I do like the white walls a lot better. It just makes everything look more open and bright. And so now I'm really happy that I have my white walls and my face on it. Sometimes when I just don't want to wait for it to dry, I place it on when it's still like a little bit wet and I just let it dry like that. But it actually feels a little bit sticky, like I can put it on, I think. I was about to do my lips and then I remembered I need to do my eyebrows. So I'm going to use the Josie Maran Good Brow Pencil. And I really like this when I just want a natural brow. It's really, really easy to use. It just glides. And you don't really have to be too precise with it. I actually need to sharpen it, but we'll see if I can get away with it this time. Okay, I really should sharpen it. Okay, now I can do setting spray and lips because I believe that's it. Just to keep my glowiness going, I'm going to use the Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray. I've talked about this before. I'm not sure if it was on YouTube or Instagram. I think both. But I really like this setting spray, but sometimes the mist just doesn't want to cooperate. I don't really like the mist, but other than that, I like the spray. See, it just like jams up. I just did it again. I might have put way too much of this on. See, it's jammed up. It does this thing where it doesn't want to spray. I don't know what happens. Okay, I really hope this dries down on my face. Otherwise, I put way too much on. But now I'm going to put on my lipstick. So this is the Clinique Pop lip color. And like I said, it's like a hot pink. It's really, really pretty. This lipstick actually has like a really nice point to the top of it that you can kind of carve out your lips with it. Okay, I definitely just put too much of this setting spray on because now it's like really glowy right here. Maybe if I just press this sponge that I use for my foundation. Oh yeah, that kind of works. That definitely diffused it. Okay, well, that is it for the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. It was kind of much more laid back. I'm sorry if I didn't talk too much. I tried. Sorry if it wasn't like too chatty, but maybe if you want to see another one of these, you can ask me questions that I can answer within the video. Anything that you want to know about me. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave and like this video if you enjoyed it and you want to see more from me. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.